Welcome, everyone. Thank you for joining this important discussion. In this session, we explore a topic crucial to empowerment legal rights for neurodivergent individuals. Let's begin. Understanding legal rights is key for neurodivergent individuals to unlock opportunities and overcome barriers. Knowing your rights empowers you to advocate for your needs and ensure equal access. Let's delve into the world of legal protections for neurodivergent individuals. The Americans with Disabilities Act protects individuals with disabilities from discrimination. Enacted in 1990, it covers employment, education, public accommodations, and transportation. Employers must provide reasonable accommodations, like a quiet workspace for an employee with autism. The ADA ensures public facilities are accessible, promoting independence and mobility. It also mandates support in education, like assistive technology or modified classroom environments. The ADA helps create an equitable learning environment for all students. The Individuals with Disabilities Education Act mandates free and appropriate public education for children with disabilities. A key component is the Individualized Education Plan, IEP, a customized plan for each student. The IEP process involves collaboration between parents, teachers, and specialists. It includes setting measurable goals and determining appropriate accommodations. Regular reviews ensure the IEP remains effective. IDEA promotes inclusion, helping neurodivergent students develop social skills and build relationships. Understanding these laws' real-life impact highlights their importance. An employee with ADHD secured flexible deadlines under the ADA after a court ruling. A student with autism thrived academically and socially with an IEP under IDEA. A student with dyslexia succeeded academically with a 504 plan, providing extra time on tests. These cases show how legal protections empower neurodivergent individuals. By utilizing these laws, we can create environments where everyone thrives. Navigating the school system can be challenging when advocating for a neurodivergent child. Familiarize yourself with your school district's special education department. Connect with the special education director or case manager for guidance. Request copies of your child's educational records to understand their needs. Build relationships with your child's educators and maintain open communication. A collaborative approach fosters a supportive learning environment. As a parent or guardian, you have specific rights under IDEA and Section 504. IDEA guarantees your child's right to a free and appropriate public education, FAPE. This includes the right to an individualized education program, IEP. Section 504 provides protections for students with disabilities even without an IEP. You have the right to request a formal evaluation if you suspect a disability is impacting your child's education. Effective communication and collaboration are key to successful advocacy. Approach conversations with respect, clarity, and a focus on solutions. Prepare a list of your child's strengths, challenges, and goals before meetings. Use I statements to express concerns without placing blame. Active listening is crucial. Seek to understand educators' perspectives. Focus on finding common ground and working collaboratively. Entering the workforce can be exciting and daunting for neurodivergent individuals. Knowing your rights under the ADA is crucial. Consider the benefits of disclosing your neurodiversity to access reasonable accommodations. Be specific about how accommodations would improve your productivity. Remember, you're advocating for equal access, not special treatment. A supportive work environment benefits everyone. Documentation is your ally when advocating for your rights. Keep records of accommodation requests and communication with your employer. Build a support system at work with colleagues, mentors, or employee resource groups. Open communication with your supervisor can foster understanding. Educate yourself about your rights and practice assertive communication. Your voice matters in creating an inclusive workplace. Creating a supportive workplace requires a shift in culture and perspective. Employers should provide training on neurodiversity to dismantle stereotypes. Flexibility in schedules, workspaces, and communication styles is key. Open dialogue creates safe spaces for neurodivergent employees to share experiences. Creating an inclusive workplace is an ongoing journey, requiring commitment and empathy. By working together, we can celebrate neurodiversity as a source of strength and innovation. Imagine a classroom where every student's unique learning style is celebrated. Individualized education programs, IEPs, ensure students with disabilities receive the support they need. IEPs include personalized goals tailored to the student's strengths and areas for growth. They outline specific services and supports, like specialized instruction or assistive technology. Regular monitoring and review ensure the IEP remains effective. The IEP is a living document, evolving to meet the student's changing needs. While IEPs focus on specialized instruction and services, 504 plans provide accommodations to ensure students with disabilities have equal access to education. These plans, named after Section 504 of the Rehabilitation Act, are designed for students who don't require specialized instruction, but may need adjustments to the learning environment or how information is presented. Imagine a student with ADHD who struggles to focus in a bustling classroom. A 504 plan might provide them with preferential seating near the teacher, away from distractions. Or perhaps a student with dysgraphia has difficulty with handwriting. Their 504 plan might allow them to use a laptop or tablet for note-taking and assignments. The beauty of 504 plans lies in their flexibility. They can address a wide range of needs, from physical accessibility to sensory sensitivities to mental health conditions. The key is to identify the barriers that prevent a student from fully participating in the educational experience and then implement accommodations that remove those barriers. It's important to note that 504 plans aren't just for academics, they can also address extracurricular activities and school events. A student with a physical disability, for example, might need accommodations to participate in sports or attend school dances. The goal is to ensure equal access and opportunities for all students, regardless of their disabilities. Section 3. Collaboration is key. Parents, educators and students working together. Both IEPs and 504 plans are most effective when there's open communication and collaboration between parents, educators and students. Parents know their children best and can provide valuable insights into their strengths, challenges and learning styles. Educators bring their expertise in curriculum, instruction and classroom management. They can observe the students' interactions in the school environment and identify areas where support is needed. Students, especially as they get older, should be active participants in the process, advocating for their needs and sharing their perspectives. Regular communication is essential. This might involve emails, phone calls, or face-to-face meetings. The team should discuss the students' progress, celebrate successes, address challenges, and make adjustments to the plan as needed. Flexibility and a willingness to adapt are key to ensuring the plan remains relevant and effective. Remember, advocating for a child's educational needs can feel overwhelming at times, but you don't have to navigate this journey alone. Connect with other parents, support groups, or advocacy organizations. Seek out information and resources, and never underestimate the power of a united team, all working together to support the student's success. Bridging the gap. Healthcare and education. For neurodivergent individuals, Healthcare and education are not separate entities, but interconnected aspects of their overall well-being. A holistic approach, recognizing this interconnectedness, is essential for supporting their growth and development. Imagine a child with autism who struggles with sensory overload at school. Their pediatrician, aware of these challenges, can recommend sensory-friendly strategies for the classroom and collaborate with the school nurse to create a calming space for the child when needed. Similarly, a teenager with ADHD might benefit from medication management in conjunction with behavioral therapy and academic accommodations. Their psychiatrist, therapist and school counselor can work together to create a comprehensive support plan that addresses their needs across different environments. This integrated approach requires open communication and collaboration between healthcare providers, educators and families. Sharing information about the child's medical history, diagnoses and treatment plans can inform educational decisions and ensure consistency of support. Advocating for holistic support. As a parent or advocate, you play a crucial role in bridging the gap between healthcare and education. Start by keeping your child's healthcare providers informed about their educational progress and any challenges they're facing. Share copies of their IEP or 504 plan and discuss any concerns you have about their academic, social or emotional well-being. Similarly, keep their educators in the loop about any relevant medical information or treatments that might impact their learning. Don't hesitate to request joint meetings or consultations between your child's healthcare providers and educators. These collaborative discussions can foster a shared understanding of the child's needs and lead to more effective strategies for support. Remember, you are your child's strongest advocate. By facilitating communication and collaboration between their healthcare and education teams, you create a network of support that empowers them to thrive in all aspects of their lives. Empowerment through knowledge and action. As we reach the conclusion of this session, let's take a moment to reflect on the power of the journey we've embarked on together. We've delved into the world of legal rights for neurodivergent individuals, exploring the protective embrace of laws like the ADA, IDEA, and Section 504. These laws are not just words on paper, they are tools for empowerment, for creating a more just and inclusive world for individuals with diverse minds. But knowledge without action is like a seed unplanted. It is through understanding our rights and the courage to advocate for ourselves and our loved ones that we can transform systems and challenge societal barriers. Remember the inspiring stories we've encountered. The employee who secured reasonable accommodations, the student who thrived with an IEP tailored to their needs, the workplace that embraced neurodiversity as a strength. These stories remind us that change is possible, one conversation, one accommodation, one act of advocacy at a time. Never underestimate the power of your voice, your persistence, your belief in the potential of every neurodivergent individual to thrive. Brilliant Divergent Foundation, your partner on the journey. At Brilliant Divergent Foundation, we believe in the power of knowledge to empower, to inspire, to create lasting change. We are here to support you every step of the way on your advocacy journey. Our website and resources offer a wealth of information on legal rights, advocacy strategies, and inspiring stories from the neurodivergent community. Connect with us, share your experiences, and let us know how we can best support your efforts. Remember, you are not alone. Together, we can build a world where neurodiversity is not just accepted, but celebrated, where every individual has the opportunity to shine brightly, illuminating the world with their unique talents and perspectives. Thank you for joining us on this journey of empowerment. Let's continue to learn, to advocate, and to create a brighter future for all.